Hi everyone, my name's Ellen Thompson-Jennings. I call myself the Family History Hound and I write a blog called Hound on the Hunt. On my blog, I often blog about DNA and I say that I have DNA tested everyone in my family, and that's why my children can't expect an inheritance. And then I realized that I haven't tested my old pal Cali. And so the other day, I bought this DNA kit on Amazon. It's called Wisdom Panel Essentials, and it also comes for cats. And there also is a premium version. So I'm going to be testing Cali, and we're going to find out what we can find out on a DNA test. Now it says that you can learn their ethnicity or their breed, and you're also going to find out if they have relatives on this system. That would be really super cool, finding cousins. I know somebody that has Callie's half sibling. It would be really interesting if they did a DNA test too. So anyways, stay tuned because I will be posting the results and we'll see what Callie finds out.